Hello, Year 7 and 8. Mrs. Hepworth here. Just wanted to go through a few things with you if you are not in school due to having to isolate. If, as a year group, you are isolating, all of your classwork will be posted in the isolation classrooms that have been set up. You should have 6 classrooms that look like this. These are the Year 8 ones. You'll have one for maths, one for health and well-being, one for science and technology, one for languages and communication, one for expressive art, and one for humanities. You would have been invited to those at the start of the year, and hopefully you've all accepted those invitations. If you haven't, or you find that you're missing one of those classrooms, you can email your teachers and they can get you the code. The code would have also been sent home to parents as well, so you should be able to get some help to get onto those classrooms. When you go home, you will be sent home with a study planner for the week, and it will be posted each week for the 2 weeks that you might need to be off. And it looks like this. You would have had some experience with this as both year groups have already been off. So you have a morning session and an afternoon session, and your teachers are available in those sessions to help you between 9 and 10, and then between 2 and 3. So according to the relevant day, you have a little look. So for example, on a Monday, you might have science in the morning, and then in the afternoon you have maths. And what we have here are hyperlinks. And when we click on these, it will take us directly to the task that the teacher has set for you for that. So you don't need to rummage around your classrooms trying to find the right task. All you have to do is open this document and it will take you to the relevant task, which I'll show you again in a minute. This will be sent out in a variety of different ways. So it will be sent out on Twitter, it will be emailed home, and it will also appear on our new distance learning website, which is this one here. And again, this link will be sent out home. It will have important information for you, as well as your own year group page. So we've got Year 7 and we've got Year 8. So this will have all the information you need. So Year 8 currently off at the moment. We've got the timetable, so you can open it up from here or from your email, wherever you like. So let's have a look at this then into the Google Classroom. So let's have a look here. We've got Friday afternoon. I'm going to go and say, okay, I'm going to try my expressive artwork. I'm going to click on this and I can see a classroom link has come up. And it will take me directly to the task or tasks that I've been set. And I can see here I've got a quiz that I need to do. And I've also got some slides that I need to do as well. So I'm going to take a look at these slides. So I can see now I've opened it up. Miss Newell has posted a video to ask me to watch so I can get the instructions of what I need to do. And then I'm going to work my way through and have a go at any tasks I've been given. Okay, so I can see here I've got 3 tasks. I've got to click on the links and watch them. If there is a task that I have to write something or create something, then what I would need to do is hand that back in to my teacher. So what I would do is on here, I've clicked on the assignment, and at the moment you can see in this top corner it says your work, and I've got nothing there. Okay, sometimes it might be that your teacher's created you a worksheet or something to work on, and that will already be there. So if that is the case, once you've finished it, you can just click hand in. If there's nothing there and you need to type something or create a document, if you click add and create, you can then create a doc or a slide, sheets, drawing, whatever you need to do. So I'm going to create a document. Takes a little second. Okay, so it's now got my username and then the task that I'm working on automatically as a title for me, which is great. So I'm going to type in the task that I need to do. Okay, obviously you wouldn't put blah, blah, blah. And once I'm happy with that, I've got 2 options. I can click this turn in button here, or I could go back to my classroom and you can see it's there now, and I can click hand in. What I'm going to do is press turn in. And it will say, these are the pieces of work that you are about to hand in. Are you happy with that? We are, because that's what we want our teacher to see. And we'll click hand in. And we'll see in a second, this hand in button has turned into unsubmit. And what that tells us is that my copy of my work has gone to my teacher. So my teacher might get a notification that that's been handed in. If I hand something in and I go, oh no, I suddenly remember I need to change something, I can click on submit and I can edit my work and then re-hand in if I need to. If for any reason you're creating a piece of work on paper, so for example, a piece of artwork that you've drawn or sketched, you might like to wait to bring that in, or you can take a snap of it and you can click add or create, and then you can click file to upload it from your document. So it might be you email it to yourself or whatnot. And in the exact same way, you can then press hand in. If for any reason you have an issue with the assignment, we have two options here. We've got class comments, which would be comments that all of your class could see, or you've got private comments down here. Now, this is really useful if you're finding something tricky in the class comments rather than emailing your teacher. You can pop a comment in and they will get a notification to say that you have sent them a message about the work. This is a really useful way to get help if you're finding things tricky. If you're working during the morning and afternoon session, there will be someone there to reply to you as soon as they can because they will be there. I hope that makes sense for you all. So just to recap, you will get a document that looks like this sent out, and these are the tasks that you would complete every morning and afternoon while you are not at school. And it will tell you which teacher is available on the other side of the screen to help you with your tasks. Remember, it's really important to hand your work in. You can't just complete it and then expect the teacher to know it's done. You need to hand it in so they get a notification to say that you've handed it in, and then they'll be able to give you some feedback on it. If you have any issues, there is a help section on the website that I showed you, and also your teachers will be available to help you as well.